A lot of people keep saying Forex robots can actually make you money whilst you are asleep. But is that really the truth? Well, so many noise came up about Forex robot. People were parading Forex robot, promoting Forex robot 24/7. So why not? I decided to test it out. And in this video, I'm going to give you my own experience, whether Forex robot really worth the hype or it's just people making noise up and down, and another Forex scam that they are actually pushing into the industry. So guys, before we proceed, let's give a big shout out to our today's sponsor, lightfinance.org. Light Finance is one of the best trading platforms out there, boasting over 4.3 rating on Trustpilot, which means that they are highly positive and users have positive view of them. And they offer one of the best and easiest trading platforms out there as well. So basically, when you come over here, you have access to MetaTrader 4 and 5, C-Trader, so forth and so on. And they offer some of the best spread, which is as little as 0.0 spread for some trading pairs. And also has the fastest execution when it comes to trading. On top of that, they offer over 600 trading pairs ranging from forex, stock, commodities, cryptos, and so forth and so on. And to top it all up, it's even advisable for non-good traders to actually use, as they offer copy trading, which is a way for you to actually make profit without having to know how to trade. All you basically have to do is simply copy already profitable trade on their platform from other profitable traders, and you can basically be making profit on autopilot. Now, here are the main reasons why you see people actually hype all these Forex robots up and down. Number one is simply they trade 24/7, meaning even whilst you are asleep, this robot can be trading for you, meaning they can open trade, close trade. And another reason why people hype Forex robots so much is because they don't trade with emotions or greed. Robot basically work based on the instructions you've given. So if you set it to 1:2, whenever it gets to 1:2, it will automatically close your trade. And there's nothing like fear or greed when using robots to trade. And another reason why people might be hyping all these Forex robots up and down is basically because they execute trade faster than humans, meaning they are more like the sniper takers as compared to we humans who have to think this thing that which Forex robots actually don't do. And I think these are the main reasons why people actually hype them so much. But in this video, we are going to find out if it's worth it or not. Now, the dark side of Forex automation is that most of these people who actually promote this robot don't use it themselves. Why? Because they fully know that they feed this robot with old data of past maybe 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024 data. So when they are backtesting, they go way back in time to those days and they backtest it. And that's why I see that this robot can actually pull up to 100, 150, 200% win ratio. Because they've been fed with this data, they already know what to play at. That's why they perform that way. When you test them with the real market, it's actually don't work. So basically, the idea of all these Forex robots you hear up and down is basically a method to trick new beginners that are waiting to make some free cash in the market. Now at this point, I'm basically speaking my fact because I've tested different trading robots and I'm giving you my own experiences that most of these robots are actually 100% scam. Mostly those that promise you $1,000 a day with no work. Like basically don't believe in it. The truth is that robots make trading easier, but then most of the ones you see out there are actually scam. And I would say there's no reliable Forex robot like the one you will do yourself. This is when robots actually work. Like trading bots actually work, but this is what actually make them work. So the first one is when you build this robot by yourself, which means that what you understand the strategy this robot is trading. So in case there's any error, you can fix it yourself, meaning you program this robot yourself. You know exactly what information you fed it with. Like for example, if I'm to create a robot right now, I'll program this robot based on my trading strategy, which is my liquidity supply and demand model that I actually use to have a physical, personal high win rate already. Meaning if I should give it to the robot, it will actually generate more win rate as compared to before. And this means that what I programmed it myself. When there's an error, I can see it myself. When there's any sort of failure in the system, I will know beforehand. Why? Because I programmed it. I know my strategy when I see it in the market playing out. And secondly, is simply if you want to program a trading bot, make sure you use a partial automated bot. Now here's what a partial automated robot actually means. The partial automated bot doesn't close trade. It only takes entries. Now, what is the advantage of using a partial automated Forex bot? When you use a partial automated bot, its only duty is to make sure that it catches the trade at an early stage, meaning immediately the setup gets triggered, you might not be there, but this robot will be there to actually take the trade for you on your behalf. And finally, if you are really determined to using trading bot, I would advise you to treat this bot as tools and not machine. Now here's what I mean. A lot of you, when you hear of trading bot, you just download them, connect them to your trading broker, like my favorite broker, Light Finance, that actually allows you to connect bot and then trade with. Now you basically connect this bot to these trading platforms, and then you sit back, deposit your money, and let the bot handle every single thing. And finally, based on recent research that was actually carried out, it was actually said that most trading bots actually create their own market price by copying other bots that are running in the system, and they create a fake price for themselves and use it to initiate trade. Meaning that what? When the figures are not even at the point where you wish to enter, this bot can actually create fake bait based on other bots that are running on the system or due to other minor glitches, and then they will initiate trade that you wouldn't have taken in person. That's why I always advise that as a trader, learn to trade for yourself and trade for yourself. Don't let bots do the trading for you. You are a human, you have a way better understanding about the market as compared to this bot. So my final conclusion here is simply, don't use trading bots if you really want to stay in the game for a long run and be highly profitable. Even if you choose to use a bot, please use a semi-automated bot, meaning that what? It does a partial work and you also do the rest of the work, meaning you and the bot work in hand. So in case the bot makes a mistake, you will be able to exit it immediately and not let that mistake ruin your whole account. So guys, this is basically my own idea for you. And if you are a trader and you've been using trading bots and it's highly profitable to you, then I want to drop it in the comment section. I will personally test out this bot and will give my own verdict on it. In this particular video, I didn't want to tag out any bot, I didn't want to promote any bot, and I didn't want to talk about anyone that actually did not deliver the results I want. Why? Because I don't want any issues. So basically, in case you know that you are using anyone that you think is highly reliable, then drop it in this comment section. So guys, my advice, don't use bots. Even if you must, don't use a fully automated bot, use partially automated ones.